We are live. Good afternoon, everyone. It's
Wednesday.
Wednesday and it's the middle of the week. How's everyone doing? Hope you're having a lovely day. So it's past 3 p.m. here, and today is day
58 of the 90-day challenge. Woo!
yay.
32 more days. Oh, but we'll continue.
Yes. And so today we are going to share
The importance of daily routines,
Yes, why is it important to have our daily routine? So number one is because of structure and organization. Daily routines provide structure and organization to your day, ensuring that you allocate time efficiently for various tasks and activities. For example, a working professional structures her day by allocating specific time slots for work, for exercise, preparing meals, and relaxation. So this helps her maintain a sense of order and ensures that she accomplishes her tasks without feeling overwhelmed by chaos. So yeah, it's very important to have our daily routine.
Number 2, increase productivity. Following a routine minimizes decision fatigue and allows you to focus your energy on completing tasks, thereby enhancing your productivity. Example, a student establishes a morning routine that includes reviewing notes, setting goals for the day, and starting with the most challenging assignments. By following this routine, he eliminates the need to decide what to do next, leading to increased productivity in his studies.
That's why it's very important to have a daily routine. It increases your productivity. So number 3 is better time management. Daily routines help you manage your time effectively by allocating specific blocks for different activities, allowing you to make the most of your day. For example, a parent, she creates a daily schedule that includes designated time for household chores, quality time with her children, and pursuing her hobbies. By adhering to this routine, she ensures that she prioritizes her time wisely and accomplishes her tasks efficiently. So that's why better time management is also important.
Number 4, reduce stress and anxiety. Knowing what to expect each day instills a sense of stability and predictability, reducing feelings of stress and anxiety. Imagine a busy professional establish a daily routine that includes mindfulness practice such as meditation and deep breathing exercise. By doing these activities into his routine, he cultivates a sense of calm and resilience even during hectic days at work.
It does reduce stress and anxiety. So by the way, for all those who are watching us right now, thank you for watching. And for all those who are going to watch the replay, kindly comment below where you are watching from. And by the way, to those who don't know us yet, I almost forgot. My name is Roselle. And this is my son.
I'm Kirsten.
So yeah, so number 5 importance of daily routine is healthy habits. It provides a framework for incorporating healthy habits such as exercise, meal planning, and self-care into your lifestyle. For example, a health-conscious individual integrates healthy habits into her daily routine by scheduling regular workouts, preparing nutritious meals, and setting aside time for relaxation and self-reflection. By prioritizing these activities, she promotes her physical and mental well-being.
Number 6, improve sleep. Consistent daily routines, especially bedtime rituals, help regulate your sleep-wake cycle and promote better sleep. Imagine someone who struggles with insomnia, like my mom. Establishing bedtime routine that includes turning off electronic devices, dimming the lights, and reading a book before bed. By following this routine consistently, this signals the body that it's time to wind down, leading to improved sleep patterns and overall
Great.
well-being. Everyone
That's-
needs that.
Yeah. Everyone needs an 8-hour sleep. That's why.
Why don't you?
So number 7 is greater efficiency. Over time, following a routine leads to increased efficiency and proficiency in completing tasks as you become more accustomed to repeating the same activities. For example, an entrepreneur implements a daily routine for managing her business operations, which includes scheduling client meetings, responding to emails, and working on projects during specific time slots. So, by adhering to this routine, she optimizes her workflow and accomplishes tasks more efficiently, ultimately driving growth and success in her business.
Number 8, sense of accomplishments. Following a routine allows you to track your progress and achievements throughout the day, fostering a sense of accomplishment and motivation. Imagine a goal-oriented individual structuring his day with specific goals and tasks to accomplish. As he checks items off his to-do list and achieve milestones, he experiences a sense of satisfaction and fulfillment, motivating him to continue pursuing his objectives with dedication and enthusiasm.
So those are the reasons why having a daily routine is important. So can you recall some of them, anak?
Improve sleep, healthy habits, reduce stress and anxiety, better time management, increase productivity, and structure and
organization. And the last one is great sense of accomplishment. So I think that's everything for today. I hope you are all able to learn something from what we shared today about the importance of daily routine, because this is really important. So guys, that's all for today, and thanks for watching, and
see you next time.
have a great day. Bye.